Hello, everyone. Today, I will show you how to fix the Slack calendar sync problem in 2026. Many users notice that meetings don't appear, status doesn't update, or Slack calendar stops syncing completely, which can be very annoying. First, let's understand why this happens. Uh, Slack calendar sync problems usually occur because of disconnected accounts, permission issues, outdated integrations, or admin restrictions. Um, it's rarely a server issue. Step one, check if your calendar is connected. Go to Slack settings, then apps, and look for Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. Make sure it shows as connected. Step two, reconnect the calendar app. Remove the calendar app from Slack and add it again. This refreshes permissions and fixes broken sync instantly. Step three, check calendar permissions. Slack needs access to view your calendar events. Allow all required permissions when reconnecting your account. Step four, check Workspace app restrictions. Some Slack workspaces limit calendar integrations. Ask your admin to allow or reapprove the calendar app. Step 5, sign out and sign back in. This helps Slack resync your account data. It's a simple but effective fix. If the problem continues, update Slack. Outdated versions can cause calendar sync bugs. Always use the latest version for better stability. So yeah, Slack calendar sync problems usually come from permission issues, disconnected accounts, admin restrictions, or outdated apps. Follow these steps and your calendar should sync normally again. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.